Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is 22-year-old turned speeding ticket into arrest. Oh man. Just when you thought you was gonna have you a good day, you do some dumb stuff. Let's get into it, man.
On June 2nd, 2023, an officer conducted a traffic stop for excessive speed.
A white Mercedes, New Jersey tag, I'll advise them. Hi. You know why I'm stopping you?
I mean, no.
You know what the speed limits are? Because I've been trying to catch up to you since Seminole Boulevard.
I don't even know where.
Okay. So when you're on Seminole Boulevard, before you get to the triangle, then you go off to Madeira Beach, and then you go around, and then you made your right-hand turn here.
When I go over the bridge you're talking about?
Before that. So on Seminole Boulevard and 68th Avenue, you're doing 62 and a 45.
Oh God, here she go. Here come the waterworks. She look like she about to cry, man. We see this all the time, man. Females try to cry their way out of a situation or whatever. But look, the worst person that you could run into being a female is a female officer. They don't care about that. Listen, you could try to maneuver that on the guys a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But she hawked you down to your crib, okay? And a female officer, she not playing with you.
Then you continued at a high rate of speed over the bridge, the Tom Stewart Causeway, the drawbridge there.
I use my cruise control over half the time, and I don't even understand right now. Like, if I was speeding, like, why wouldn't have you, like, if I was speeding all the way over there, which I wasn't, like, why wouldn't have you just pulled me over all the way back there?
Because I can't drive recklessly to put other people in danger. To put up with you. Can you please have a seat back in your vehicle for me, please? And then may I have your license, insurance, and registration, please?
Ma'am. Alright, I gotta call my dad. I'll talk to you later. No, I don't even understand. I've literally been home. Just stop. I need to call my dad, and then I need to call my lawyer, because this is literally ridiculous.
Echo 2, copy 28. Can I have your registration and insurance, please?
I'm pretty sure my registration is in the house. My dad drives this car.
Okay, then have a seat back in the car so I can handle all of this.
Okay, so this officer just...
Have a seat in the car, please.
I'm on our... Can you just look at our... I will, just please.
Okay.
I'm just trying to...
I've asked you to do that 3 times now because this is a traffic stop.
I'm at my house.
I told you, being a female, the worst officer you want to run into is another female officer, man. She is not playing with your ass, dog.
I told you to sit in the car.
Here you go, not listening.
Sit in the car, please. I've asked you multiple times.
I need a supervisor right now.
Sit in the car.
I'm not saying another word from you.
And put your hands behind your back.
He's detaining me right
Put your hands behind your back.
What's going on over there? Ow!
Let go of your phone so it doesn't break.
My dad's literally... My dad is literally assistant with the DA. Do you want to do this? Do you really want to... Ow! Stop. No, you're really...
160th Avenue in Reddington Beach.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
But my days are breaking now! I'm gonna literally sue this idiot bitch! Call our lawyer right now! Right now, my... Ow, you're entire time. Yo, you pulled your body camera off. Guess what? You should turn it on because you literally pulled your body camera off on top of my...
Ma'am, because you were resisting, it knocked it off. And don't worry, my car camera recorded everything.
Okay, record it. I requested a supervisor a minute ago. Over 10 minutes ago. Tell me your supervisor's name.
Sergeant Tacey.
What is your name and your badge number?
Deputy Mitchell will be on your citation and your arrest report.
I'm in nursing school.
Well, then if you would have complied, you wouldn't be in this position.
Are you her supervisor? I'm in nursing school. I have 4 months left. I've been pulled into my house. She said I was speeding all the way in something called Seminole Boulevard. I've never seen her car. She did not have her lights on. I've been pulled into my driveway and she pulled in my neighborhood, told me to get out of the car. Knocked her body camera off. She just put it back on and threw me against my car. How many times? I don't understand what is happening. Like, I don't understand why she had to be so aggressive. I've never had any trouble with the law. Like, what is this?
Ma'am, I've explained it to you multiple times.
You told me I got out of the car to give you my registration.
You have a seat in the car, and you said you wouldn't because you were on your phone.
No, I said I'm about to get in the... Officer, your body camera, if it was even on the whole time. Get back in the car 1 second. My dad wants to say something to you. He was on speakerphone, and you threw my phone on the ground and told me you were detaining me, and now I'm arrested.
So, in other words, you didn't listen to what the officer said. The officer told you simple directions. Stay in the car. Well, she said get in the car, right? Lollygagging, being on the phone, blah, 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 blah. Then she eventually gets in the car. Okay. Get back in the car. After she gets out, she told you get in the car. She's like, no, my dad, whatever. Your dad ain't saving you from this one. I mean, it is what it is. You getting locked up, man.
And now you don't have anything to say. Like, I'm literally 22.
Then you should obey the law.
What do you mean? Just because you told me to, I was getting in I got in my car when you told me. I got the stuff. I thought it was in the house. I got my registration and I gave it to you. I got out of the car and I handed you my registration.
I explained to you multiple times. You were given multiple lawful commands, and you did not comply.
Pick me up at the, if you're arresting me for real, like, please, like.
Yeah, your phone will come with you. Yes, ma'am, I am.
Like, I'm getting in trouble, like, I don't know what this even means, like, what is it? I don't know what getting, like, seriously, like, what does arrested mean? Like, what is my arrest? What am I getting arrested for, though? Can you tell me?
Obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Obstruction of the law. I gave you multiple lawful commands. You did not follow them.
Ma'am, I got in the car. I literally told you my dad is on speaker. I'm about to get in the car.
And then you got out of the car, and I told you to get back in the car, and you wouldn't. So this is why we're where we're at.
Ma'am, literally, please, like, I'm not even trying to, like, lie. Like, you literally told me to get in the car. I got in the car and I found the registration first. If you have a camera on your car, I opened the door and I showed you I waved it to you.
And I acknowledged you.
And you came over to me and I handed you the paper. And my dad's on the phone and he was trying to say something. Wait, I'm about to get in the car. My dad wants to say something to you. You said,
well, you stay in the car
wait.
until your traffic stop is complete, ma'am.
What?
You need to stay in your car until your traffic stop is complete.
I've been pulled into my driveway this whole time, and then you turned your lights on, like.
Yep, because like I told you, I'm not going to drive reckless like you did in order to cut people off to get up to you. I maintain visual with you. I saw you make your right-hand turn. I see you right here. You're still in the car, so I conduct my traffic stop.
I honestly, like,
Got it?
Do you understand, for somebody, my
Just
entire
obstruction.
life is going to be over? Officer, I'm begging you. What's happening now?
Your vehicle's being searched.
For what?
The odor of marijuana.
No, like, seriously. Like, I'm serious. Like, I'm a good Christian.
I'm a good Christian. I'm a good Christian. Listen, I tell you, cops go-to. This is the go-to, bruh. I'm telling you. I smell marijuana. That's the go-to. That's it right there. That right there. When they say that, it's a wrap. That's the go-to, because obviously they can't say they seen some or whatever, because, you know, we gotta see the body cam or whatever. But I smell marijuana. Listen, body cam ain't picking up that, and that's they go-to. That's everything that they need to say to be able to search your vehicle, man. What's going on? I'm searching your vehicle for what? I smell marijuana. I remember cops searched my vehicle one time. I don't even smoke, bruh. Don't even smoke. They searched my vehicle because they said that same thing, bruh. You know how I got pulled over. You know, DWB, man. Driving while black, man. That's why I got pulled over, man. They like, oh, what's that green substance? Da da da. I'm like, what's the green substance? Oh, what's that in the back seat? I'm like, they ain't see nothing. They talking about they smell something. Listen, I just got my car detailed earlier that day, so I already knew nothing was there. And then not only that, you gonna say that I'm smoking? I don't even smoke. What are you talking about? Oh man, they frustrate me with that, bruh. And then they do their search. They flip the car, don't find nothing. Cause I'm recording. Don't plant nothing. Don't do no funny shit. Then, oh, you're good to go. After you just torched my car. And I'm like, yo, what about that green substance you thought you saw? Oh no, you're good to go. Wait, I thought you smelled something. What? You don't find nothing? I'm like, all right, I got something for y'all, man.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I was in the process of getting one in New York, but like I don't.
No, the answer is no.
My dad has one, and he's the one who usually drives
You
that
ain't
car.
your
So I really
dad,
don't
no.
even know why you're asking. I don't even know, what is she doing? Evidence backs like I'm fucking.
You gonna learn
I'm
today.
so confused.
Yeah, that was on. That was in the back seat. So.
Thank you, gentlemen.
We're here?
The van's gonna come pick you up.
A van, like, are there gonna be like other like criminals in there?
Potentially.
Stop!
Just relax.
How can I relax? I have 2 months left of nursing school, and now it's gonna be on my record. I won't even if I can continue school, I can't even take the NCLEX. I can never even
For what?
work with
Why
it.
wouldn't you be able to take that?
Because if I have a misdemeanor or anything, they don't let me.
Look, fact of the matter.
You can't be a medical professional.
I know multiple people who are in the medical field who have felony charges.
Yeah.
All right, well, look it up. I swear to God, look it up online. You won't be able to take the NCLEX, the National Board Nursing Exam, if you have any.
Fact of the matter being.
Look at me right now. This is so.
Stop. You're gonna get yourself stirred up. Right?
I am.
I know, but fact of the matter being, these things generally don't go anywhere, and they throw them out. Just relax, get through it. They'll release you in a couple hours, and more than likely, this will go away. All right.
Wait. Okay. Her obstruction charge was eventually dropped. Her speeding charge, 15, was upheld. Okay.
God, I'm really gonna have a heart attack with this thing.
They're not. Step on in. Nah, you're all right.
Honestly, did she have to lock her up? No. I mean, but like I said, listen, if you a female, the worst person you want to pull up on you is a female cop. She got it out for you. Listen, we all know girls is catty. Girls don't like girls. You know what I'm saying? Girls will backstab a girl in the back as fast as I don't know what, okay? girls typically get along better with guys. You know what I'm saying? But girls do not like other girls. So if you're getting pulled over and you got a female officer, you better be calm, cool, and collected.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.